Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Naapi app. This Naapi app is a basic land measurement tool. It is also a marketplace for buying and selling a plot, especially for Nepal. In simply, Naapi tool is a tool for land measurement in Nepal in units typically used and popular in Kathmandu Valley. Now you don't need some specific app or software to measure your land. You can simply use it from Naapi app. You measure the plot, enter the data in Naapi, and rest will be done by Naapi app. You don't need anything at all because we have a map plotter that will instantly give your area. The main feature of this app is length conversion, area addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It also functions as calculator. It is also an area price calculator. It works as a compass. It gives a function of plotting the real data in a plotter, figure, draw and calculate area. It also gives the functions of geoplotter, map, draw and calculate area, shape functionality, etc, etc. So now I am showing you how to use Naapi app and use plotter. Just open the Naapi app and go to the setting. So you will see top area unit. Click on this and you have to set the basic unit that you are going to work. So here I will select square feet and go to the back, and now just click on this three dotted line and go to the plotter. Here you will see the three dotted line in the top right corner. Click on it and set the primary and secondary unit. Your primary unit is feet and secondary unit is inch. So we are going to work in feet and inch. So just click OK. Now I will show you one figure which I am going to plot in this plotter. This is a real field data. Now I am going to plot it in the plotter. This is a rough sketch, and now I will show you how to plot. So for dimensions, just click here, click in the four corner as per your figure. If there are more dotted line, you have to click on more places and show in the figure. Now it's just completed, and now I am going to edit it. Just click on the edit mode and shape your figure like in the real field, and just uncheck the edit box. Now you have made this square figure, and it will prompt you to give the diagonal line. So just click in the two opposite line and all diagonal have been drawn. Now it will give you the functions to put the dimension of the line. So just enter your 41 feet 7 inch, and for this 36 feet 1 inch, for this 40 feet 6 inch, for this 38 feet 11 inch, and for this diagonal just click in the diagonal 51 feet. Now it has been completed. Now it will show you the area. You can check the area in the bottom of the app. Here you will see the area. It's 1519.6 0.91 square feet, and in रोपनी आना पैसा दाम it's 4 आना 1 पैसा 3 दाम. So like this you can draw your real field data in this plotter. You can save it also. Just click save plot as, and you can give this plot name like test. Okay, you have saved it, and you can save it as an image too. So just give the name plot and then click OK. It will save and you can get it in your gallery like this. So you can see here is a barcode reader scanner also. You can scan it and get this plot into your Naapi app. And I'll show you where it is saved as a in Naapi app. Just my saved app. You can see here. Just I have saved it as a test app. So in this way you can plot simply in the Naapi app. You don't need sophisticated or complicated software or laptops. You can carry it in your Android phone. Wherever you want you can use it in your real field. So for now, for now mm, today I have shown you how to plot in this plotter, and in next lesson I will show you more about geoplotter and volcan measure and compass, etc. For now, thank you very much, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and comment us and like also. Thank you.